In this video, I'll be explaining and demonstrating how I managed to arrive at the surface area of a cuboid. So this is the net of the cuboid. So what I did was to do the net of the cuboid first, resulting into having the top, the bottom. These are the sides, and these are the opposite side. So what I did was, okay, I have the top. So which means the top and the bottom must be equal. So which is the width and the length. So it means I have two width and length, width and length. So it's 2 width times length. So close plus this one. These are the ones that are also equal and they are on the side of the cuboid. So this is the height and this is the width. So it's 2 because they are 2, 1, 2. 2 times h, width times height, plus these 2, 1, 2. So it's 2 length times height. So the surface area formula that I wrote is 2 into width, length, plus width times height plus length, no matter how you can write it, the length times height.